Yeah.
For the week?
Can I be in the water?
Whole week. No. Stand up, guys. Cheer them on.
Come on, let's go! Paddle faster! Come on! Come on, y'all, let's go! Come on! All right! Look at it already! Somebody's behind the buoy!
Hey, stand up! Stand up and cheer them on. Walk down there and cheer them on. Let's go. No motivation.
Gosh, what's wrong?
Geez, I'm from headquarters and I'm more motivated than you! Come on, let's go! Cheer them on! Woo! Go out for company!
Broward County is so much more fun. They're quiet. I hate quiet people.
Hey, come on, let's go!
Go down there. Go down there. Help them out. Get them motivated.
Peter, this is going to be close.
Is it?
It's going to be close.
Yeah, get that right.
Come on, let's go! Paddle faster! Keep going, come on! Almost got it, let's go!
They're going the wrong way.
Hey, girls!
Come on, oh man, these guys are gonna beat you if you don't stop screwing around! Let's go, let's go! Oh man! Oh, they're gonna beat you, they're gonna beat you!